We all have different levels of drama and all sorts of things going on in our life, and not only in our own personal life, but in the lives around us and the people around us. So what else is important to actually help balance that is to bring in a bit of peace energy. How I do that is that I just take a minute or two out every single day just for me. It's just a complete block out of everything else that's going on in my world, and I just come back to me. So if you are finding yourself being overcome by a little bit of overwhelm, a lot of stuff to do, a lot of activity, drama all around you, bring in some peace energy and just see how that helps to settle some of the things you're dealing with.